Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the domain of each function. So in A, we have g of t is equal to the square root of 10t minus 100. Now, exponentials can take on any value. So the only restriction here is that we cannot take the square root of a negative number, right? 10 to the t minus 100 has to be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, if we solve for t, we get our domain restriction. Adding 100 to both sides, 10 to the t, these cancel, has to be greater than or equal to 100. 100 is equal to 10 squared. If 10 to the t has to be greater than or equal to 10 squared, right, the exponent t has to be greater than or equal to 2. So this is the restriction on the domain. T has to be greater than or equal to 2. For B, g of t is equal to the sine of e to the t minus 1. So looking at the different parts here, e to the t can take on any value. The domain of an exponential is all real numbers. Sine can take on any value. Therefore, this function has no domain restrictions. For none of these functions within the whole function g of t will you get an invalid input, right? A value for which you put it in and you get no output, right? Sine can take any value, e to the t can take any value. The domain is all real numbers.